Excuse me. I think I look dope as shit. TBH. Oh, fuck. Nice thick. This is honestly one of my most favorite steering wheels. Like, thick as shit. It's gonna look dope in here. But apparently I can't get the seat, what is it called? Goddamn airbag shit. Can't get the airbag stuff working. Allegedly. We'll see. I know how to janky stuff. So yeah, all I gotta do now is order the valve cover gasket. Fuck. Clear coat this bitch. I should be ready to kick around. Yo. So yeah, I'm hearing my little beater. You guys seen this one. Well, some of you seen it. Put the steering wheel from my old E39 on it. Tossed some sport seats in. So yeah, I just got some paint, some touch-up paint. I bought this little Toyota Camry to flip. Yeah, I flip cars every once in a while, you know. This one's actually for a family member. This one was actually in very good condition, like mechanically, but it has a little bit of, you know, rusty crusties at the bottom. Oh, that sounds like shit. Like all Japanese cars do. So yeah, this one for a little store run. Honestly, I really like having a slow car for a daily, because when you get in your fast car, it just feels way faster. If you just have, like, you know, fast cars all the time, you just get used to it. You just get used to the speed. It's pretty shit, to be honest. And it's hilarious to rev the piss out of this thing and it goes nowhere. So, as they say, it's better to drive a slow car fast than a fast car slow, right? Niggas are up in hella traffic here. I gotta go home and do a few edits. Yeah, he's just out here. Look at this, weird shit. So yeah, the speakers, wow, I don't know what that was. The speakers are super booty in this car. As you guys can see, I'm 6'6", so leg room is, yeah. But like, you know, at least I can heel toe stick like this. Bam, bam, bam. It's pretty gangster. M knobs all day. I don't know, I'm really a M, you know, like, I like to have my M badges. But ain't nobody putting no M badges on the back and shit. Like, goofy ass nigga shit. This car's hilarious. Skinny tunnel blast already. Honestly, I was thinking of turboing one of these motors before when I had my E30. Turbo this M42. I even gathered like a little bit of supporting parts. Bought like a little skinny turbo. Like chopped up some hoses and lines and fittings from my old 1.8T Volkswagen. I was actually like, I was actually gonna do it. It was crazy, but then I really thought about it. And I'm like, fuck, man. Turboing a car is never, you know, an easy endeavor. Shit always goes wrong, and kind of just wanted the simplicity and kind of wanted to do an engine swap. You know, always try to do it something new. That's what happened. Ended up going with a 24 valve instead of boosting the little 4-banger, but now considering boosting this little 4-banger might be hilarious. Be sick for the channel and shit, you know? Everybody just puts an S50, M52, M30, or I mean M54, E30, all that shit. It's a pretty basic bitch. But from now, just gonna head back to the ends right now, and I'll see you guys later. Queso, like quesadilla. Okay. 2001 E39 530i 5-speed sport package. Right now I'm just disconnecting the drive shaft and the rear diff. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the front part out by the guibo. Let's see if I can get some lighting for y'all bitch niggas. Where? Ew. Yeah, so I just pulled out those 6 drive shaft bolts. I got a little technique here that I kind of developed from working on my E30. What I do is, let me see if you can see. I don't think you can see. But anyways, I stick like a little crowbar. Actually, you can see it right there. Is that it? Yeah, that's it right there. I stick a crowbar up in between the drive shaft and the diff and the body and whatnot. If it's a nicer car, like it's not a part out car, I'll just stick it like right in between here, you know, something like this. Throw hammers at it. And yeah, stick it in there, and then I busted out my little ratchet setup. So it's like a bar with a 16mm wrench, slightly bent. You know, get some good angle up in there. I had it bent because when I was doing my 24 valve swap on my E30, you know, couldn't get under the motherfucking engine mounts and shit with the stainless steel headers and shit. I don't know, it was kind of ghetto, but it worked. So yeah, next step is take out this heat shield right here, beer birch, and follow this bitch all the way back to the transmission side. Take out the bolts there, the guibo, and yeah, open header glory.
Off the pack, I told that little bitch I got no time, just relax. I'm off that perky, I need this shit just for my bag. I'm sitting in the Cadillac, I'm smoking on thrax. Got your bitch beside me, riding through the city in that foreign big body. Push him on the shit, and I know I'm in the party. Young nigga be riding through the city off that molly. Yo bitch right beside me, that he holding on the Tommy. On the AK, told that little bitch put that shit away. Just like TK, that nigga going away. 5 to 99, goddamn, that nigga ain't coming out. I'm putting it in her mouth. Young nigga coming from Toronto, nigga know that that's from the south. South of Ontario, nigga know I'm a Cheerio. Going in a circle, put a holes in you niggas know I'm Furio. That's so furious, niggas fast.